Hi, everybody. We are going over AutoCAD App '05 in this video. Right here is a link to get us directly to the web app, which you'll find available for you. I'm already signed in, so I automatically pop up like this. And what I'm going to do is go to New Drawing. I'm going to call it, um, let's call it App '05. That's what we'll title it. Switch from metric to imperial and open. Now we got to give this a minute just so it can kind of boot up, get itself ready. Here's a warning. It's just saying that internet's running a little bit slow here, so we got to just be a little patient. There we go. All right. So let's go ahead and looks like I'm super zoomed out. I'm going to pan over just so I have I'm to the right of everything. Looks like OSNAP and OTrack are turned on already. Everything's checked off on OSNAP. Let's turn on ortho. Let's go ahead and grab this line tool and I'm going to click, bring this over, let's say 5, and then you'll see that it's tiny. So we have to go ahead and zoom in. I told you I was super zoomed out. There we go. Just so we can see. There we go. So we got 5 that way. Let's go 10 this way. Let's go 10 this way. Oh, not 10. We want to go 5 actually. I'm going to hit escape. We're going to go 5. I'm trying to make a rectangle here. Let's bring it down and the O snap should be locking in. And now let's go ahead and hit the space bar. Okay. Let's do something with modify now. First, let's save just so we can make sure everything's all caught up. Let's go to modify and we have offset here. Let's go ahead and grab offset. Now it wants to know what the offset distance is going to be. Let's do 1, enter. And now let's select the object. We'll start with this line. Bring it down. Oh, I see. You don't pre-put it in. Now we put in 1. There it goes. Okay. A little different. Let's click this. Let's drag this over. Type in 1. That one. There it is. Click the line. See, even I learned something. Drag it this way. We go 1. Now let's take this one. Drag it this way. We go 1. All right. Now let's go to trim and let's see how the trim works. So we got the trim tool. We got choices, cutting edges, crossing, mode, project, erase. Don't really know. Let's see what happens if we click a line. Oh, it just goes away. Okay. You don't have to do anything. You just click on it like that, like that. There we go. We're going to get rid of that one and that. So we're just basically getting rid of the extra pieces on the corners. There we go. All right. That's a lot to do for doing it on the app. So we're gonna call it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and save it one more time. Just make sure it's saved. Okay. Now you can just follow the instructions in the last video, which was AutoCAD App '04, on how I want this saved. I want this saved as an AutoCAD document, not as a PDF, not as a link. All right, and you can hand it right in on the Google Classroom, and you should be set. All right. So with all that, I'm going to wish you guys a good day and try to enjoy yourself. Bye.